Hi everyone. I think this has been quite a special feeling for me because through this I got to reflect upon my own career in cinema so far as an outsider in the film industry. Because when I got my first film Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi, opposite Shah Rukh Khan, to be produced by Yash Raj Films, directed by Aditya Chopra, I honestly didn't realize what a big deal it was at the time. Frankly, I did not even know who Aditya Chopra was or what it felt or what it would be or mean to be his heroine. That's how clueless I was. I chose acting purely on the basis of sheer instincts. I did not know anyone, not a soul who worked in movies or had any connection to the film industry. So I did what any outsider does. I worked to get my first break. I auditioned, and in one such audition, I got Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi. Thank you, God. But you know what I feel? I feel that honestly, because I didn't have any legacy to live up to or any sense of familiarity with how cinema works and whatsoever, I feel like it gave me a kind of determination and confidence that has definitely helped me to be here and has enabled my journey so far in the movies. Today I do a lot of films. I even produce some. So I'm very grateful. But I feel that there are a lot of people that I've been very grateful to and I'm very thankful for who have helped me in my journey so far. And Yash Raj is paramount, Aditya Chopra, because he believed in me, he believed in my talent when I guess nobody did. I come from outside, so you know, I had no legacy or nobody knew anything of me, and he chose me purely on the basis of what he felt I possessed, which was the talent that I had, and I'm so grateful to him. And I think as a company, Yash Raj has always done that. You know, it has always backed talent first, before legacies, before connections, before perceptions. And I know so now with so many examples that we have seen of actors being launched by the production house that that here, if no matter who you are, where you come from, if you have what it takes to become an actor, YRF will back you. And because they believed in my talent, I'm here, standing here today, and very, very happy and proud. I think this place really toughens you up, you know, from inside, because you face challenges every single day, and it's usually like a test for you, for your patience and for your, you know, your mental being and emotional strength. And I think as an actor, you have to experience a lot of emotions to be able to become a better actor. The more you live life, the more experiences you get, it hones your craft better. And I think this place does that for you. It really pushes you on an emotional roller coaster ride, and propels you to, you know, find your strongest self, or to become strong. Of course, you know, coming from and being launched, despite being an outsider, being launched with Yash Raj Films, you do get that sense of, I would say, like a safety net, where you do realize that there is some entity and an organization where you can always kind of get your, like she was saying earlier, you know, you can get that kind of support from. But the journey that goes on in your head, you know, with the kind of things that you face throughout, and there will be lots now if you've been here for some time, that you have to face on your own, which is very good, and it toughens you up, and I think it makes you better.